that when those emotions are emotions that you feel great about, then as those emotions go into your body, go into your endocrine glands, they produce the right quantity of hormones that keeps your physical health in an absolutely tip-top shape. Not only that, when they go into your DNA now starts its magic of expression and ensures that not only your physical health, but your external environment will also reflect you feeling the absolutely same thing, which is why happy people interact with other happy people and generate happy environments that make them feel happy all over again. Conversely, depressed people and sad people feel sad from within, so their DNA feels sad. Because their DNA feels sad, their health moves into a direction in which they will feel sad again. And not only that, that DNA will work overtime to create an environment around them that will reinforce the sadness all over again. So, whatever you feel is exactly what your universe is going to reinforce back into your reality. And since those feelings are inexorably linked to emotions, and since those emotions are linked to the way you process thought, which is why thought then becomes the starting point of the way